What is going on, everybody? In today's video, we are back with our school list data table, and today I'm going to show you guys how to run some basic data filters to sort based on certain values in columns. So first, click on your table, hit CTRL+A, go over to the Data tab, then when you're there, click on Filter. Once you do so, these little down arrows will pop up at the heading of each column. Now what you can do is click on School. And now obviously you see these little check boxes. If you only wanted certain ones, with a small list, it's doable, but with big lists, it's not so doable. And we're gonna go to Contains, and we want every high school, so we're gonna hit Contains High. And then you see right there, it pops up only the high schools. And now if we go over to Amount, and say we want everything greater than $1,000, we'll click on the greater than, hit 1,000, and then there we have it. Every high school that was greater than $1,000. And you can manipulate this, change it up however you'd like. We hit CTRL+Z a couple times to undo it. Say we want only the schools that have L in it. Obviously there's only one, it's Lincoln Heights, but click on the down arrow, say begins with, and type it in L. And you'll see there we have it, just Lincoln Heights High. And these are some basic manipulations you can do with the data. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more examples of how to use these filters in the future.